This is Versus Dragos. Its rising towers are inheriting some of the most beautiful views of the city. It's under construction now, but once complete, its charm will mesmerize you. Take a look. But Versus is growing in Dragos in the Anatolian side of Istanbul. And right next door, you have Marmaray connecting the project to another continent. Walk 5 minutes to south, you reach the sea. Here, you will find the longest uninterrupted walking parkour of the city. Its accessibility is not only limited to the metro. Drive to the east, you reach Sabiha Gökçen International Airport. But Versus doesn't only offer a comfortable family living and out-of-this-world views, it's also very close to entertainment centers. This is Baghdad Avenue. It's the Champs-Élysées of Istanbul. Well, if you've ever been to Paris, you know what I'm saying. And it's always a joy to take a walk on its sidewalks. This part of Istanbul is home to some of the most elite neighborhoods of the city, such as Fenerbahçe, Moda, and Kalamış. Well, Versus surely offers a great lifestyle and an investment opportunity. If you want to own one of over 200 homes of Versus, let us know. It'll be ready to move in about 3 months' time.